Welcome children in bio class. Children, today I am going to teach you amplification of gene of interest using PCR. Children, you have to know what is PCR. PCR stands for polymerase chain reaction. In this reaction, multiple copies of gene of interest is synthesized in vitro using two sets of primers and the enzyme DNA polymerase. This enzyme extends the primers using the nucleotides provided in the reaction and genomic DNA as a template. The repeated amplification is achieved by the use of a thermostable DNA polymerase. This thermostable DNA polymerase is obtained from a bacterium Thermus aquaticus. Thermus aquaticus bacterium is thermophilic bacterium. The thermostable DNA polymerase enzyme which is obtained from it is also known as Taq polymerase. Children, in the method of making multiple copies of gene of interest, I told two sets of primers, oligonucleotides and heat stable enzyme DNA polymerase are used. This method was developed by Kary Mullis. It means PCR was developed by Kary Mullis, and for this work he got Nobel Prize. There are three steps in the polymerase chain reaction. First step is denaturation or melting of target DNA. Second step is annealing of primers, and third step is extension of primers. See, DNA of interest or gene of interest, in that both strands of DNA are together. In the first step, denaturation, and excess of primer, a synthetic sequence of 20 to 30 nucleotides is mixed with the target DNA, or it is mixed with the gene which have to amplify. Now this mixture is heated up to 98 degrees centigrade temperature. On heating, the two strands of DNA are going to separate. In this, their both strands of DNA are together, but now on heating they are going to separate because the hydrogen bonds which are present in between the strands, that is going to break. Therefore both strands are separated. Now each single strands of target DNA act as a template for DNA synthesis. Now there is second step. In the second step is annealing of primers. The solution, the mixture which was heated, now it is allowed to cool up to 60 degrees centigrade temperature. And when it is allowed to cool, then separated stranded of DNA reassociate into double stranded. But here excess of primer have taken along with this. So some separated strand base pairs with a complementary primer. Now third step is extension of primer. Heat stable DNA polymerase enzyme that I told Taq polymerase has taken, and when this enzyme is added along with the four types of nucleotides triphosphate, then using the nucleotides and genomic DNA as a template, the enzyme DNA polymerase extends the primer, and when the primer extends, it forms a complementary strand on each separated strand of genomic DNA. So now on the separated genomic DNA, it has formed. So this is called extension of primer. So children, I told in the PCR polymerase chain reaction, there are three steps. Denaturation, in this the gene of interest mixed with primer or synthetic sequence of nucleotides, and then it is heated. On heating, both strands of target DNA separate. Second is annealing of primers. Now the solution is allowed to cool. And third is extension of primer using heat stable DNA polymerase enzyme.